Hello guys, welcome to Java Zone. In this session, I'm going to show you how to add an attachment and send it to an email from the sender to the receiver. In my previous session, I've demonstrated the concept of Java Mail. So if you haven't seen that video, I kindly request you to watch the video. So moving on to the concept. So here I have a project already. This is a project of the previous session, and this is my basic layout. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a component, attach, and after that I'm going to create an event for this button. So the event is created, and next I will have to go and import some packages. Import javax.swing.jFileChooser and import java.io.star. And I've already declared a variable path of string data type here. So you will need this variable in order to store the path of the file. So moving on to the event of the button, that is attach button, I'm going to declare a function jFileChooser ch is equal to new jFileChooser. ch.show open dialog and inside the parameter I'm going to pass it as none. And now I'm going to declare file f is equal to ch.get selected file. This will actually select the file that I want to send it as an attachment. And finally, path is equal to f.get absolute path. So the code for the event button is now complete, and now I'm going to go to the send buttons code. Let me just show this. So I'm going to the event of the send button, and this is the code, and this is the reference of the previous video. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to declare two other statements, that is multipart ms is equal to new multipart, new my multipart, and my body part pdf is equal to new my body part. And I'm going to declare an if statement right here, that is after m.setText content. If path is equal to null, so it will just send only the message. That is, I'm using this if statement only if I want to send a message. That is a message without any attachment. And now I'm declaring an else, and inside else part, that is inside else block, pdf dot add attach file, and I'm going to specify the path. And next ms dot at body part PDF. So the first statement is actually an attach command that attaches the PDF in your mail, and the second command is that it will attach the PDF body, the body of the PDF. And finally, m dot set content ms, and finally transport dot send m. And now I'm going to print an acknowledgement. System.out.print success sending the PDF. So my source code is complete, and now I'm going to execute this, and I'm going to write the recipient's email address, and the subject as attachment, and the content as attachment. Now I'm going to click on this attach, and the dialog box appears, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to my desktop, and there's a file called capture.png, and I'm going to open this, and now I'm clicking send. So this might take a while. So now my operation is successful. Now I'm going to check my email, and if you see, I did receive the mail with an attachment. So this is all, guys. So this is the concept of sending an email with an attachment. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And that's all for today. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.